Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to get live data in Python language. Let's move to the video. Open our website webiz.in on your browser to view the API page. The page is open now. In navigation menu, click the product menu and select directory under on the API data. Now the API page is opened. Scroll down to download section and click download Python to download the Python sample code. Once the download is complete, move to the downloaded folder to open the Python sample code. You can use any terminal. Here we used Visual Studio Code Editor. This is the sample code for Python. Login ID, product name and API key must have to mention in sample code. Move to the crown page to get all these details. In our website, click this login icon to open the Crown login portal and complete this login process to open the Crown page. Once the Crown page is open, click the profile at top right corner of the Crown page. At top of the Crown, user can note their login ID. Mention this login ID in your sample code which you noted from Crown. Do the same thing for API key. Move to the Crown again. Copy the API key and paste the copied key in sample code. We have JSON and CSV formats. At first we are going to see about CSV. Later we will see the JSON. In NSE tickers, user can load the scripts they want. Here I am adding Nifty and Bank Nifty futures. In ticker, user can change the format. I am changing the format to CSV because I want CSV data. Now save and run the code to display the output for CSV. This is the output for Nifty and Bank Nifty which I added in the NSE tickers. And the main thing is we're getting the data in CSV. Now we know how to get data in CSV, so it's a time to go for JSON. Same thing. Change the ticker format from CSV into JSON. Once the ticker format is updated, just save the code and run. So now we are getting the data in JSON for Nifty and Bank Nifty. That's it. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to share your queries on comment section.